Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make a greeny pork roast with vegetable. These are the ingredients I'll be needing for this recipe. Right here I have a roast pork here. Right here I have some bacon. Here I have vegetable oil, black pepper. Right in here I have some salt, thyme, basil leaf. Here I have water, and right here I have some tomato, and right there I have carrots. These are the ingredients I will be needing for this recipe. So now I just have to peel it right now. So I just have to peel this potato. Stay tuned guys, watch me peel off the potato, just the skin of the potato. Okay guys, these potatoes and the carrot has been washed. Okay, I washed them thoroughly before I started peeling it. So when I'm done peeling off the skin of the potato, so I wash them after dicing them. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. If you are just stumbled on my videos, you are highly welcome. Please do me a favor to subscribe to the channel so that anytime I have a new upload, you will be notified. Share to a friend. All for being my backbone, for supporting this channel. God bless you all. Thank you guys. I really do appreciate a lot. Okay guys, I just continue peel off the skin. Okay, wash me guys. Okay, now I'm done dicing the vegetable. So here I have the pan I will be using. Okay, I place it right in here. Okay guys, and I have the roti pork here. I will just place, before placing this roti pork, I have some vegetable oil. Just put it at the pan. Okay. Then we're going to be putting adding the pomme de terre, the potato right in here. Okay, then add the onion, the carrots. Okay, add the carrots, onion, the bacon. Just add the bacon. Okay, adding the bacon right now. Okay guys, you can see that. Now we are going to be putting adding some basil leaf. Okay, I got some 2 basil leaf here. I will be adding 2 basil leaf. Okay, I will putting this thyme here. Okay, cutting into some parts and adding some thyme right here. Okay guys, just do it this way. And some salt, add some salt to it. Okay, add some salt, black pepper, add some black pepper, then oil, with the vegetable oil. Okay, add the vegetable oil, little drop of water we do. Okay guys, okay, now over to the oven. Now the oven is hot, just 200 degrees. Okay, it's hot already. Now I have to put this screen right inside the oven. Okay, and wait for 1 hour, a good hour guys. I like it to cook for 1 hour. Okay, here guys, as you can see, I'm done preparing it. You can see it's looking yummy, and you can see how brown, how colored it is. You can see that this is the roti and it's very cooked. You can check it out, it's very cooked guys. You can see that. Okay, this is how to prepare a roasted pork, okay guys, with vegetables. Thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you all. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. And share my video to your friends or friend guys. Share my video to any Instagram, any social media you are. Thank you for watching, and have a lovely day. See you guys in my next post. Bye bye.